welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a spring everyday glam makeup look. And if you guys are new here to my channel, hi, my name's Leilani. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure you click that subscribe button down below so you do not miss out on any more of my videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have these little bunny ears because, you know, this video is kind of like Easter makeup related or like spring. Okay, so I am going to start off with the eye look. So first I'm just going to use the Maybelline Dream Fresh BB cream and apply it all over my eyelid, so then it gives like a smooth base to the eyeshadow look. And then I'm just going to take this flat brush here and just apply it all over my eyelid. Actually, these bunny ears are not working out. They keep falling off my head. So sorry, but no more bunny ears. So first, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Nocturnal Shadow Box in the shade Fireball. It's a really pretty strawberry lemonade color. And I'm just going to apply it all over the crease. Next, I'll be using my favorite. This is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and for all over the eyelid, I'm going to use the shade Luscious, which is like a champagne color. It's so pretty, and I just am obsessed with this palette because it's so pigmented. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna apply this Luscious color from like the inner corner to like in the middle of my eyelid. And then next for my outer eyelid, I'm going to use the Balm Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade Cabana Boy. It's a pretty deeper pink color, which I really think is perfect for spring. Now I'm just going to take my fluffy brush and just blend all of the colors together. So the eyeshadow look is complete, and right now I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner. This is the Balm Cosmetics Schwing Black Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to do the eyeliner off camera. Okay, so I just finished the eyeliner, and now I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Fresh BB cream in the shade Medium Sheer Tint, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. And to set my BB cream, I'm going to use the Covergirl Outlast All Day pressed powder in the shade Light to Medium. And then for brows, I'm going to use the City Girl Bold Brow Eyebrow Powder in the shade Medium. And I would love if you guys can comment down below if you want to see more makeup looks from me, or like specifically what type of videos you want me to do more of. Like if I should do more like lookbooks or makeup tutorials or anything like that. And for mascara, I'm using the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. I've never tried this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it feels like I haven't used it yet. So far, the brush is a little weird. I don't really know. It's like really big, the brush. I decided that I would give it a try because I absolutely love Essence mascaras. Like, if you couldn't already tell from my past makeup tutorials, I love Essence. Oh my god, their mascaras are always so good. Alright, for this mascara, I feel like it's not really a volume mascara, it's more of a lengthening mascara. But I do like how it individualizes all the lashes, like it's not clumpy at all. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Happy Booster Glow and Mood Boosting Baked Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. Because in the springtime, I like the lighter, more natural bronzers, because like in the spring I like to use more natural looking bronzers, because I feel like the spring it's all about like the fresh look and everything, but in the summer I like to use the Golden Goddess bronzers then. So I like this one because it's just very light and it's not too harsh. For blush, I'm going to be using the Flower Beauty blush in the shade medium to deep. It's like a trio palette. It has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight, but I'm just going to be using the blush, which is the one in the middle. And it's just a pretty light pink color. Oh my god, I totally forgot that this palette, it has so much fallout. It's so annoying. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Ofra highlighter in the shade Blissful. I don't think I've used this highlight before, but can we just take a minute to look at this? It's literally so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's like a pearly champagne color. Oh my god, that's so pigmented. I was not expecting that. That is so good. That is so pigmented. Wow. So, I highly recommend. And last but not least, for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade Viola. But I swatched this on my hand before and it is so creamy. So that completes this spring everyday glam makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below what videos you would like me to upload, because I am starting to film for April videos and I'm so excited. This year so far with videos have been so great. I've been so consistent and I'm so proud of myself. So I want to keep building that I can't speak. So I want to keep building up that momentum and keep uploading twice a week for you guys. And I hope you guys are really enjoying these videos, because I sure am. So whatever videos you guys really want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. So that is it with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!